What's up, everybody? It's Tiffany Stone alongside Mitch Guthrie Jr. Now, Mitchie, we've known each other for so long, so it's so cool to see you evolve as a driver, taking 5th overall in his class at Dakar this year. And you said, hey, Tiffany, I'm coming out to Johnson Valley. Let's go for a ride. And this is exactly what we're doing. So this is the Raptor T1 Plus. Tell me a little bit about your ride.
Yeah, I mean, first off, it's amazing to have it here. It's what we race internationally. So we just did Dakar in Saudi Arabia. And a lot of the Americans out here don't get to see it. So it's so cool to have it here at King of the Hammers. But yeah, I mean, it's a fully custom built T1 Plus to go through the crazy terrain that we see in Saudi Arabia and all the W2RC rallies that we do. So it's a lot of fun to drive. It's got the Coyote V8, which just sounds amazing. Fox shocks, BFG tires. So it's a lot of the same things that you actually see on a normal Raptor put into this Raptor. So it's a blast to drive. It's amazing what this thing can do, and it's I'm definitely blessed to be doing what I do.
Well, we've seen you grow up, you know, many different classes. I've known you racing UTVs. Now you really moved into something your own. With that being said, really kind of what's the main difference or something that you learned while racing UTVs that you were able to implement in this and get you that 5th overall?
Yeah, actually a UTV kind of handles a lot like this. It's just smaller, but this thing does the same. You know, it's all-wheel drive, same as what we do in a Polaris or something like that. So it's really nimble. It looks like a big truck, a big wide truck, but it actually doesn't feel that way when you're in it. The way that it handles, the way that it goes through bumps is really amazing, which you'll see when we go ride it. But yeah, I think you look at it and you think it's going to do something, but when you actually get in and feel it, it feels like a rally car.
Okay, awesome. Well, you guys, I'm about to hop in. Mitch is going to give me a ride. Right after that, I guess I'll let you know what my final thoughts are on it. Hopefully I don't lose my voice from screaming so much. So come along on a ride with myself and Mitch Guthrie Jr.
How you doing over there? You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. How was that?
So cool. Probably the smoothest car ride I've ever had in the desert. My mouth is dry from smiling so much. You guys, my face, it hurts. Mitchie, that was awesome. I'm smiling so much, guys. This is awesome. You guys, I literally just got back from one of the craziest rides I've ever taken in my life. Not just here in Johnson Valley, not just here at, you know, King of the Hammers, but in the entire world. Mitch, that was so awesome. Seriously, thank you so much. You know, you've had plenty of hours, plenty of miles in this, and I feel like that smile that I see, the one that I was doing, was just the same as probably the first time you stepped in there. How does it feel to really like grow with this and evolve with this?
It's amazing. You know, it definitely takes a little bit of getting used to when I jumped into the T1, but it actually handles so well and does so well that for me it was pretty simple to actually get up to speed. And it's just so much, I'm so blessed to do what I do. This is my job. So definitely lucky. And yeah, it's just, this thing is such a blast to drive. The way it handles, which you saw, the power, just everything combined. I mean, it's pretty crazy what it can do.
See, and the cool thing about this is, like you said, it's your job and people have always looked up to you to do this, and now you're just bringing so much joy. Like you said, this is fun. I'm bringing joy to Hammertown in such a different way. Thank you so much. I am so thankful to be able to do this. Thank you to Ford Performance. Thank you, everybody. This is super cool, and I think I can do this. Should I put that T-Stone stamp of approval on this?
Yeah, you definitely can.
T-Stone stamp of approval, guys.
Boom.